Hey folks, good afternoon. It's Corey. Hey, I'm back out here on the Weaver Law Firm project. We started this floor yesterday afternoon. So you remember the 7,000 foot water damage that I had a little bit after Christmas that we demoed? Well, he finally got all of his sheetrock done. Still working on the painting, that's going on. The baseboard, the trim has been installed. So now Mr. Hardwood is back out here installing. I'm losing a little bit of footage because he's actually going to end up doing brick pavers down the hallways. But check it out, walk with me. It's looking really good. I'm coming in with the Betsy Ross Appalachian 7.5 inch by 1/2 inch hickory that I glued to 1/4 inch cork. So which gave it the 3/4 of an inch, which is necessary to make sure that all my wood fit perfectly underneath the door casings. Walk with me and check it out. Here's our cork underlayment that we use, that we glue to the concrete. There's my cork glue, and then also my adhesive to glue my wood to the cork. Here's my wood. I had a semi truck deliver the wood on Tuesday. I let my wood sit for about 3.5 days so it can start acclimating. So my bathrooms are going to go back with tile. We stopped all the hardwood in the doorways. Now granted, I still got to do cleanup, wipe down, polish, and all that good stuff. My shims are around the perimeter just to help make sure that everything stays tight. The blue tape is what we use when the glue is setting up and we want to keep everything still nice and tight and held together. One of my offices. Another office. See, they got all the base finally installed, did all the little patch on the sheetrock. This is where those filing cabinets were. And you can see the cork right there that we glued to the concrete. And then we got our wood on top of the cork and the tape is down. So this hallway will end up going brick. We got brick pavers coming in here. Again, all the bathrooms are going tile. Here's our kitchen. Another office that's complete. As you can see, the cork's been glued down. Another office. We just shifted the furniture over. We're gonna lay our floors this way. There's our filing cabinets that we moved from the mail room. Conference room will end up going this way. This office, it'll go that way. This hallway here is going that way. Our little reception area, it's gonna go this way because they want this hallway to go this way. So my hallway that's coming this way will change directions right here on the corner, and we're gonna go that way, and then we're gonna lay all this way. This side will end up, we'll get straight off of our hardwood right here. We stopped it halfway underneath the door, so we'll get straight here. The hardwood will stop right here. This goes brick, tile, the conference or another conference room. It goes this way. And then this one, we'll end up doing this one. And then this captain's office here will go that way. So the job's going really good. We should have most of the install done tomorrow. So then I'll come back on Monday. We'll finish up the conference room, probably the little reception area. And then that gives the painters a chance to finish painting all the baseboard, doing what they have to do. Then we'll plan on coming in Tuesday, I would say. And once all the quarter round has been pre-finished to match the floor, we'll get all that custom installed. So this is Hardwood Flooring Custom Installation in Gainesville. If there's anything we can do to help you or your friends and family, please give us a call. MrHardwoodInc.com, 678-9 floors.